Hey creative souls, Miss Kaarya here, and today we are crafting something graceful, elegant, and totally unique. Have you ever imagined turning leaves into beautiful artwork? Well, get ready to create your very own Leafy Flamingo straight from nature's palette. So grab your supplies and let's bring this pink beauty to life. Step 1. Gather your materials. To create our DIY Leaf Flamingo, you'll need scissors, glue, black, pink, orange, and blue sketch pens, a pink leaf for the body, dried leaf stems for the legs. Got everything? Great! Let's begin. Step 2. Shape the flamingo's body. Take your pink leaf and carefully cut it into the shape of a flamingo's body. To make it look fluffier and more realistic, cut small additional layers of the pink leaf and glue them onto the body for a feather effect. Now, the body is ready. Let's add the details. Step 3. Create the flamingo's legs. Take thin dried stems and position them as the flamingo's long, elegant legs. Apply glue carefully and stick them onto the paper beneath the body. Now our flamingo stands tall and graceful. Step 4. Draw the neck and face. Sketch the face outline, making sure to add a beak and eyes. Use a pink sketch pen to fill in the neck so it blends beautifully with the pink leaf body. Step 5. Color the beak and add water. Take an orange sketch pen and color the beak. Draw the flamingo's eyes to bring it to life. Using a black sketch pen, carefully draw the flamingo's long curved neck coming from the body. Step 6. Create the water and waves. Take a blue sketch pen and draw gentle waves beneath the flamingo's legs. Add small water ripples to make it look like the flamingo is standing in a lake or pond. Step 7. Our leaf flamingo is ready. And there you have it. A beautiful, nature-inspired flamingo made entirely out of leaves. And just like that, your leafy flamingo is standing tall and looking fabulous. Who knew a simple leaf could become such a masterpiece? Now, it's time to get creative. Try adding more flamingos, a beautiful pond, or even a sunrise background. If you love this, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing nature-inspired crafts. I'm Miss Kaarya, signing off. Until next time, keep crafting and keep creating magic.
Da 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 da